Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ananda Ramdania, student number 029. So, in this video, I would like to teach or explain to all of you about legend story. And before, we have learned about myth, and today about legend story. Yeah, actually, both of them are similar, but yeah, still they are different. Well, legend story is a genre in literature that have their own specific characteristic. Legend story is told as if it were a historical event, but actually they are different. They are unreal. And legend story, the example of legend story, as we know, and I'm pretty sure that all of you similar with Robin Hood and also Sangkuriang. Yeah, for example, Robin Hood, which are set in divine period, the reign of King Richard, the first of England in 1889. That is a specific person who was an actual historical person and historical event that makes Robin Hood uh, as a legend. And yeah, Sangkuriang also and legend story, because legend story is a genre and it have a characteristic. There are some characteristic of legend story. The first one is legend story actually based on reality, but they are exaggerated. And legend story have a specific setting place and specific setting time. For example, the setting place. This is unique because legend story, the specific setting place is happen in lake, forest, mountain, and etc. And for the setting time, it occurs in past time and is historical. It usually comes from specific cultures and also a specific uh, setting, time, and place. And legend featured these heroes with a exaggerated and imaginative elements, so it makes the legend story feel like large than the life. And also imaginative elements such as magic are used in including ghostly and supernatural elements. uh, for example, in Sangkuriang story, the mother or the woman asked Sangkuriang to make a big ship in the lake, and only for one night, and only Sangkuriang worked for that. Yes, actually that's impossible and it's not make sense, right? But yeah, that's how supernatural or magic happen. Sangkuriang almost finished the work, but his mother stopped it. And yeah, that's how the elements, the supernatural elements works. And legend story, because legend story is a story, it is a text. And in the body of the stories, especially as they relate to a particular people, group, and clan. A legend, because a legend is a narrative, so it often handed down from the past that is used to explain like event, transmit lesson, or simply to entertain the audience or the reader. And legend story, so each genre have their own language use, culture use, and etc. So for legend, the language use is uh, the for the tenses they use past tense, past continuous, and they always use like uh, once upon a time, and also a long time ago, for example, like that. And legend, a legend story, they have a strong conclusion and also have moral value. What is moral value means in legend story? So means that in every legend story they have implicit meaning, or uh, how the story actually want to tell about something. For example, like in Sangkuriang, you cannot be you don't have to be ego. You have to put off your ego, for example, like that. so that legend story have a good moral value. And for the culture use, actually for the culture use, it depends on where the stories happen. For example, like in one city are different with the other city. So yeah, that's for the culture use. It depends on the on where the stories happen. So yeah, everyone, that's all that I can explain about legend story. So for to make you more understand about legend story, I ask you to make a narrative text, only short narrative text about legend story that happened in your hometown. So I will wait for your exercise. You may comment on below, or you may send to my email. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for attention. I hope that all of you can learn something from my video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.